You walked in slick with your laser display, your pitch precise in every way. You spoke of beams that bend the air, of lighting fires with just a stare. A marvelous tool you wield so well. You say it guides, ignites, can swell the heat to light an engine's breath, or cool again to avoid one's death. May I? Of course, so light, so fine, a little twist, and it could shine into the eyes or light a flame. But either way, it bears your name. Now look there, my favorite piece, the poster's quiet, a study in peace. Just a man and his cat on a park bench, still. Funny how it gives your stare a thrill. Just science, dear, let's have a peek. A flicker of light, the pupils speak. Ah, there it is. The dilation tells more truth than words or practiced spells. You felt something, don't deny, a poster kiss beneath your eyes. See, Henry, we all have sparks to hide, but some of us must learn to bide, to walk the line, to shade the flame, to play the part without the name. You want to fly, then sign the form. Say what they want, what fits the norm. The school's not mine, I can't defend, but I can open paths, my friend. No need to panic, just comply. Say straight and they'll let you fly. I'll back your eyes, I'll shield your fall, but truth you see is far too small. So I'll keep this pointer, call it fair, a token for the truths laid bare. You brought it here, you proved it bold, but now its aim is mine to hold. I'll give you titles, skies, and stage, a future drawn